Alex here with Maple Systems. If you're looking for a compact, high-performance industrial PC built for modern AI-driven applications, you'll want to check out our newest compact fanless industrial PC, the IPC2791A. Let's get into it. At the heart of the IPC2791A is Intel's Core Ultra processor platform based on the powerful Arrow Lake architecture, which delivers processor clock speeds of up to 4.9 GHz. Paired with that is the integrated Intel Arc graphics, enabling quad-display UHD 4K output, perfect for control rooms, operator stations, or visualization-heavy applications, all without needing a discrete GPU. You can get it with storage sizes of up to 2 TB of lightning-fast M.2 NVMe SSD, with up to 64 GB of DDR5 RAM. One of our standout features is a dedicated neural processing unit designed specifically for AI inference workloads to boost its performance to 13 trillion, with a T, operations per second. This pure processing power makes it ideal for edge inference workloads and intelligent automation on the factory floor. All of this power is housed in a rugged, fanless aluminum heatsink chassis designed for reliability in demanding environments, with an operating range from -4 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, or -20 to 50 degrees Celsius. And with support for Windows 10 IoT, Windows 11 IoT or Pro, and Ubuntu Linux, you've got the flexibility to deploy it into virtually any system architecture. All right, now that we've gone over the features, let's go ahead and open the box. So to start here, as always, we have our Maple Systems warranty. So go ahead and put over here. We have a power cable to make sure we can power it on. Put that over here as well. We also have a wall mounting kit, which is included with the IPC itself. Over here you have the brackets, and in the box here will be all the screws. Go ahead and put that over here. And then finally, we have the IPC itself. So we'll take it out of the anti-static wrap. Ooh, that's a nice design. I like it. Feels good in the hand. But while I have it in the hand, let's go ahead and look at the ports, starting with the front. In the front, we've got the power button, the most important button, a serial COM port for any sort of serial communication you might need, a 3.5mm audio line out, a USB 3.2 Type A port, a USB 3.2 Type C port, a USB 4 Thunderbolt 4 host port, and 2 USB 2.0 Type A ports. And if we go ahead and flip it around, we'll take a look at the back. On the back here, we have a DC power input, 2 USB 3.2 Type A ports, 2 HDMI ports, and 2 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports, as well as 2 ports for Wi-Fi antennas, which you can purchase alongside your IPC. And finally, let's go ahead and take a look at the bottom. Down here, you'll get the model name and build number of your IPC. You'll want to reference these when reordering your unit. This is also where we'll find all of the OS license configuration. You can either order it with an embedded Windows license, which is pre-activated at Maple Systems for plug-and-play deployment, or a non-embedded license, where you have to scratch off the activation key for Windows and activate your Windows license yourself. And alternatively, we offer Linux Ubuntu as an operating system, which doesn't require an activation key. But now that we've gotten the IPC out of the box, let's hook it up to a monitor and power it on. So I've got my IPC2791A hooked up right here through HDMI to an industrial monitor, the MON 1017 APH V2. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the IPC with the included power cable. Right in here. You can see from the indicator lights, it powers right on as soon as it gets power. And in just a second, we'll load into Windows. And there you have it. We're loaded into Windows from the IPC2791A. Well, that wraps up everything for today. Remember, if you need an industrial PC with built-in AI acceleration, quad 4K display support, and a rugged compact design, the IPC2791A is a serious contender. If you thought this video was informative, we'd appreciate it if you gave us a like. And while you're down there, please subscribe and turn on notifications, just so you'll be notified when we make more videos in the future. If you'd like to learn more information on the IPC2791A or our full line of industrial PCs, visit maplesystems.com or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.